Hello everybody. Video number 2 of the day. We're going to talk about Henning Group base plates. This is for the 17, 17L, and 34, part number HKM01. It's the +6 base plate extension, which increases you from 17 to a whopping 23 rounds, made in Colorado, USA. The instructions: they also make what's called the battle hook. These are available through myself and Nick at RavenTechMN on Instagram. Here we see the Glock 17 with the +6. This one has several thousand rounds ran through it. Flawless rounds through it. 0 malfunctions. Here is a standard 17 round magazine. Sitting on top of the +6 Henning base plate. The bottom of the base plate has their logo and 6 dimples that you can color in to identify your magazine. They are made out of aluminum, and they can get them in multiple different colors. Pricing is available if you can DM myself or RavenTechMN, and we will get you set up with these. Competition shooters, law enforcement, military, and the average citizen who responsibly carries can benefit from more rounds. More is better, because if 1 is none, 2 is 1. It's always better to have extra ammo at the hip. I highly recommend these after running these for the last year, and I have nothing bad to say about them. I have tried other magazine extensions of the popular variety and had multiple failures with each of them. And so far, these have been tried and true to me. I'm not being paid for this review. I actually bought this one myself. So get in touch with us and we will take care of you. Thank you.